Hey, sweet friends, Miss Hendry here. All right, we're going to learn about the color blue. B-L-U-E, blue. This is blue. This paintbrush is blue. Then this little car that Miss Hendry is in is blue. All right, here are some things that are blue. Can you think of some things that are blue around you? All right, so this little bluebird is blue. The sky is blue. Blueberries are blue. Who would have thought? This whale is blue. And this butterfly is blue. Blue is Miss Hendry's favorite color. All right, let's look at this little game. It says drag the X on the objects that are not blue. So let's look at this. This is a bird. This blue bird. So it's blue. We don't need to put an X on it. Let's look right here at this frog. Is it blue? No, he's green. Good. Put an X on him. All right. Let's look at the blueberries. Are those blue? Yes. Good job. Let's look at the whale. Is this blue? Yes. Good job. Now let's look at the orange. Is that blue? No. So Miss Hendry's going to drag an X over it. Good. Very, very good. So make sure that you look around your house and look around the room and see if you can find any things that are blue. Bye, guys.